Hmm. Welcome to Winter Qigong, where we connect with the wisdom of the water. Hmm. I'm Maria Chaudhry, and I'm your guardian and guide, and am the steward of the Path with Harmony Sanctuary. And on this journey, it's my honor to get to be your midwife because the wisdom of the water is a journey that goes inward and down deep to the truest parts of ourselves. This is a journey much like a labyrinth where you will enter into a sacred space, circle to the center, and then spiral back out into the world, changed and transformed. And just like every good guide and guardian, let me show you the map that we are traversing. We are working with the 5 elements, and we are working from the Taoist perspective of the map of the seasons. And we are in winter. So right now, your labyrinth that you're entering it's you're entering in winter and you'll be exiting in spring. And this is no ordinary labyrinth. This is a water labyrinth. A water labyrinth will take you into the soft, gentle, fluid, moist places, humble places in your life. And in this water path, you will flow like water, be like water, be the water, creating and shaping new pathways in your life, always flowing down and in. And in this journey, we're going to connect with the energetics of our bodies, our energetic pathways. Our energy flows through our body like water through a stream, and you will reconnect with and illuminate your luminous light body and learn to work with the sacred tool of the cauldron and work with the alchemy of fire and water to create this sacred elixir of the alchemical steam. This alchemical steam is filled with rich medicine and transformation. And the cauldron will hold us and contain us so we can go even deeper within into our womb space, into our most creative center. And in our most creative center, we will receive the seeds that we are growing. We will remember the seeds of our essence and tend to them. And we will connect with our roots, the roots of our being, the roots of our lineage, the roots of our bloodlines, of our ancestors, going deep, deep, deep into the earth, creating a stable infrastructure and matrix in which we can drink from the well of truth. And from there, my love, we will activate and awaken this innocence of pure pleasure and sensual and sexual energy. And in that place of feeling activated and alive in our bodies, and now you are ready to be born. And in this birth experience that you will go through. You will have an opportunity to connect with your womb and your umbilical cord and placenta. And when you're born, you're going to create a new energetic pathway and reestablish an energetic pathway called your conception vessel to help you feel your sense of belonging in this world. And once you've been born and reestablished this energetic pathway and received all this nourishing energy, then, my love, you will be greeted with a new teacher, a new ally, a new guardian and guide. And this guardian and guide will help you learn to navigate through the unknown into this perilous world without fear. Even if you're not the strongest predator out there, you can trust your sense of perception and navigate safely through the world with ease and grace. And by this point, our cauldron shifts into a chalice. And as you can see, there's new life growing, new things bubbling. And at this point, we are completing our journey until we start again in the spring.